and I was filming for about 9 minutes. Anyway, 20 seconds into filming, while I'm up there, the camera decided to flip around and look at the sky. Good morning. We've got a big clean on today. I don't normally give myself a lot of time to film these cleans. I just go out and do the work, go home, pay the bills. But this one's quite a big one, so I'm not going to film the entire thing. I'll just stick the camera up and you can sort of fall asleep or something. But no, this is a big, quite a big clean all the way round, full block paving. We're coming to the end of the season of block paving now, so we are end of September, and if you can't put the sand back, you shouldn't take the sand out. So this is kind of one of the last big jobs. It's quite a big area, but I'm sure we can get it done. So here we are, getting it sanded. It's been a couple of days to dry out. Let's get cracking. For about 9 minutes. Anyway, 20 seconds into filming, while I'm up there, the camera decided to flip around and look at the sky.